G'day guys, Monday morning, Crackles and Gaff with you.
It's a Monday morning and we've got some fresh fruit. Well, it's news really, but...
Been picking apples over the weekend, people.
Yeah, picking them.
Is a metaphor for Julia Gillard and Obama's meeting, really, Gaff.
Yeah, well, they've been giving gifts. Well, Julia's been giving gifts.
Julia's been doing it.
Yeah, picking out her favourites, Australian gifts.
Yep. You know, everyone's probably already heard this. She's made a playlist. She gave it to Obama as a bit of a treaty. Hello, we're alliances. Listen to my music.
Yeah. We're good friends now.
Yeah.
We're America and Australia. We know what to do. So I'm going to give you some news.
Or as Julia would say, good mates.
When Julia exchanged the gift, which is the playlist of her favourite songs, of Australian songs.
Yep.
And this is pretty much how it went down. Hey, Crackles.
Yeah, this is the exclusive interview that me and Gaff got our hands on. Check it out.
Only because we share so much. Not only do we share a language, a commitment to democracy, a set of shared values, but I think there's also a shared sense of open spaces and a pioneer spirit. And as Prime Minister Gillard said the first time we met, it's what makes us great mates.
There you go.
There it is.
A bit of a fresh. That was they were talking about the playlist.
Yeah.
Deliverance of the playlist. Obama's pretty happy.
That is exclusive. No, I want to express the fact that this is nowhere else has played this.
No one's got their hands on this yet.
No.
We're the first.
We're the first.
Perth, this is you. This is your media talking to you.
This is you guys.
Plus, his code word is the transition.
Yeah.
So that's what he means. That's what he's referring to as the what took place with the exchange of the playlist.
Well, you know politicians, Crackles. I don't want to talk about exactly what's going on.
No, I like to beat around the bush.
Vague. Yep. That's what they are.
Exclusive from the White House, I should say. Obama and Gillard exchanging. Well, Gillard gave the Australian playlist.
Yeah.
What she would say Australian. A lot of people put a hissy fit up there. No AC/DC in the mix.
No gyroscope.
No gyroscope.
No
Nothing.
No cool stuff.
Absolutely nothing. Well, me and Gaff actually do have the playlist she actually handed to him.
Yep.
It was under the I guess under the sheets, Gaff.
Yeah.
No one really saw it.
Nah.
She put it out there in the media because she didn't want to get embarrassed. A lot of people went, "Oh, look what Gillard's given him. Nothing. There's no culture in that playlist." We have the real playlist,
This
Chef.
is the real one, guys.
Get ready. Put your ears to stun.
To stunned.
Here it comes. Ready?
My language has been murdered. My shopping trolley murdered. My groceries just gone. I don't like it. Racist, rubbish, racist, hate. Feel the heat.
Good neighbors become good friends.
I'm a bloke, I'm a knocker, and I really love your knockers. I'm a labourer by day. I piss up all me pay.
Nobody likes a bogan. Nobody likes a bogan.
The Gillard playlist revealed, Gaff.
There it is.
First to have it on our hands, you and I. There you go, people. Perth, exclusive.
That's what
No one in the world has that, Jeff.
That's what Obama's listening to, Craig.
Yeah, he's listening on his little private jet right now, probably. This is amazing.
Good on you, Gillard.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi.